James Carey on the house and Carey Bros Pros on the road. It's the Festool Roadshow 2019. We are at the Future Build Vocational Educational Center in Pittsburg, California, here with Davie Bruce, who is a student. David, how you doing?
Good. How about yourself?
Very well. So this program is a 16-week program, and we understand you're about halfway through.
Yes.
How has it been?
It's been a great experience, learning stuff I never knew. Just getting to put all this stuff to learn about new tools and just put it to the work life and have a brighter future. That's what I think, and it's a really good experience. And I suggest people should come and try it or give it a try if you're looking for work or to learn a lot. It's really good.
David, how did you hear about Future Build, and what prompted you to get involved?
I'm from San Francisco, so I moved out here with my father about a year ago. Right now I was going to school, and I was trying to get into a trade because I have families in trades. So I heard about this through I think it was the internet and just flyers all around the city, and I thought to give it a try, and it was a good choice I made.
So, do you have an interest in the building trades, or what prompted you to pull the trigger?
Probably seeing my big cousin. He bought a house, and I'm like that, and he's a steam fitter. So I was trying to learn. I'll probably I got taking interest in the laborers and solar too. So it was really interesting in learning. So that's the field I'm probably aiming for.
So you're halfway into this, and you've learned a little bit about carpentry, plumbing, electrical, and solar, and it sounds like solar's the winner.
Solar, definitely. Labor, I would say labor is more, but solar, because it's integrated with each other. So solar, labor, solar,
So for folks watching this that may be interested in pursuing a career path in the building trades and learning more, what advice would you have for them, David?
I would say just stick with it, don't give up, and just if that's what you want to pursue, just pursue it and stick with it, and don't give up and don't let nothing get in your way. That's what I would say.
It sounds like there's nothing that's going to get in between you and success.
No, nothing at all. Can't let it. I got family.
So how about this Festool Roadshow that comes to Future Build in Pittsburg, California, this 18-wheel tractor trailer, mobile classroom? What'd you think when you saw it, and what have you seen here that piqued your interest?
Oh yeah, everything. The setup's nice, the whole trailer, and all the tools are magnificent, and they're like top of the line equipment. It makes it safer, faster. You don't really got to clean up a mess. It's amazing. Really like it.
Well, I certainly wish you all the best. Congratulations on being involved with the program. Graduation has been around the corner. I've been to some of the graduation ceremonies. They're wonderful, and I'm certain that you have a very, very bright future.
Thank you so much.
Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, that's a wrap. James Carey reporting from Future Build Vocational Education Center in Pittsburg, California. It's just one of 40 stops that the Festool Roadshow 2019 will make across the USA. If you'd like to learn more about the Roadshow and where it's planning on stopping, go to festoolroadshow.com or festoolusa.com.